Good morning and happy Friday, everybody. So today I'm just going to go over basically what you need to do to present your vision boards. So make sure you do that ACPC for attendance today. And I'm not going to show you the video, but I am going to tell you that you need to, before you watch this, I would get paper and pen and I would make notes over the steps. So Miss Delgado is another Avid teacher, and she made this video to help us with your posting. So you're going to post your Google Slide vision board to the discussion board. In the video, she shows you how. So it's broken down by step, do this, do this, do this. So I would write down those steps. So be ready to pause your video and write the steps down and take it back if you need to rewind it, whatever. But be prepared to take notes for that unless you already know how to do this. So the whole idea is that when we go to the discussion board to see it, we see your vision board and we see your video explaining your vision board so we can see the vision board. While you're explaining, we can be like, oh, okay, that's what this picture means, etc. So you're going to create a video also explaining your vision board from step 1, and it should include the 15 action steps and goals that you are trying to accomplish for your goals. So we need to see your full face, just like this right here, full face, not your forehead, okay? Don't do anything creepy like that. We need your full face and not the wall, not part of your face, your full face. Once you've done that, you are going to go and reply to 10 of your classmates' vision boards. Now, you may not know exactly who all is in your class, so at this point you may just reply to 10. So if you see that one response already has 10, I want you to respond to others. So just a reminder about your grades this week. You have 2 major grades. Your posting your Google Slide, posting your video is a 100, so 50 points each. Your second major grade is going to be responding to 10 people's vision boards with a question about the vision board, affirmation, motivation, or encouragement to accomplish their goals, or connections you made with the vision board. So you get 10 points per person. If when I grade this, I see you only commented 3 times, you make a 30 for a test grade. This is too easy to not make 2 100s, so let's go get this done, and I will see you next week. Reminder, no school on Monday. Happy MLK Day, and then Tuesday starts with a B day, so I'll see you next Wednesday. Have a great weekend, and clean your rooms. Be grateful for those around you, and stay healthy.